कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले तु गोविन्दं प्रभाते करदर्शनम्. Namaste. Today's mudra is Makara Mudra. It is also referred to as crocodile mudra. Sit comfortably and relaxed. Keep your spine erect. Now, for performing this mudra, place your right hand on your left hand or left hand on your right hand. The final effect is the same. So, I shall demonstrate it to you by placing my right hand on my left hand. So, see, I have placed my right hand over my left hand like this. Then, extend the thumb of the lower hand through the ring finger and little finger of the upper hand like this. See, I have placed my right hand on my left hand. Then extend the thumb of the lower hand through the little finger and ring finger of your upper hand like this and place its tip at the center of the palm of the upper hand. Then join the tips of the thumb and the ring finger of the upper hand. Keep the little finger extended. Rest the remaining 4 fingers of the lower hand on the back side of the upper hand like this. So, see, this is your Makara Mudra. Now, I shall reverse the hand positions and again demonstrate this mudra to you. Now, place the left hand on the right hand and extend the thumb of the lower hand through the little finger and ring finger of your upper hand like this. And let its tip touch the center of the palm of the upper hand. Then join the tips of the thumb and the ring finger of the upper hand. Keep the little finger extended like this. And rest the 4 fingers of the lower hand on the back side of the upper hand. So, this is your Makara Mudra. Now, this particular mudra is a yoga hand gesture that is designed to activate energy reserves. Makara is a Sanskrit word for a mythological sea creature and is often translated as crocodile. Now, you might wonder, what has mudra got to do with a crocodile? Well, crocodiles are widely known to stay static and motionless for a very long period of time. And it is believed that during this resting period, they restore and preserve energy for a long period. They then use this preserved energy in adverse situations. Thus, this mudra helps to activate our untapped energy reserves. This is an advanced mudra. Our great yoga masters and sages conceived these mudras, which find mention in the Yoga Sutras and other texts. Basically, they drew inspiration from the natural forces operating in nature. They keenly observed the movements, the physical features, the forces of animals and other living beings and designed these mudras. The Makar Mudra or the crocodile mudra, it mimics the open jaw of a crocodile. Now, what are the benefits of practicing this mudra? Modern day life, as all of you know, is extremely stressful. And excessive stress can lead to mood swings that can severely affect your relationships and make you irritable. So basically, if you look at the root cause of all this problem, it is the lack of energy that makes you feel drained out and listless. And this leads then to mood swings. The best way to deal with this problem is to make use of mudras to overcome negative emotions. So one such mudra that can quickly help you gain back your energy is the Makara mudra. The mudra activates kidney energy, which is related to untapped energy hidden in the body. Therefore, this mudra is often referred to as a kidney rejuvenator. The practice of this mudra reduces dark circles under the eyes, which is a primary sign of tiredness and lack of sleep. Many experts and scientists have shown that this particular mudra, Makara mudra, helps fight frustration, depression, and other mood swing disorders. So, if you are feeling listless, depressed, dissatisfied, practice this mudra. This mudra works in uplifting your mood. It is supposed to be extremely beneficial for students as it improves their concentration power. Regular practice of this mudra will help you to get rid of any kind of negativity surrounding you or within you. Duration of practice is 5 minutes daily to keep away negativity. Well, that's all for today. See you next week with another mudra. Thanks.